forest deep and wide, with my ginger cat at my side. The guide shows me paths of magic, trees with powers glowing and tragic. Inside his cabin, secrets unfold, a glowing orb of future told. We watch the lights, the forest hums, a world of wonders, magic comes. Oh, my ginger cat, let's fly away through enchanted lands where colors play. From castles bright to candy skies, we follow the queen with wondrous eyes. On a royal gondola we glide over sparkling lakes side by side, singing lilies wake as we pass. Lights of every color dance on the glass. The forest queen shows hidden ways, magical apples and glowing rays. Guards of oak leaves, strong and proud, protecting the past where magic's loud. Oh, my ginger cat, let's fly away through enchanted lands where colors play. From castles bright to candy skies, we follow the queen with wondrous eyes. Inside the candy castle, sweet delight, magical treats of rainbow light, hovering, spinning, sugary charms. We watch it all safe in her arms at the palace feast, golden and grand, dancing with marquises hand in hand. Magic lights shimmer, candles spark, our hearts alive in the joyful dark. Oh, my ginger cat, let's fly away through enchanted lands where colors play. From castles bright to candy skies, we follow the queen with wondrous eyes. Through forest lakes and castle halls, we've seen the magic, heard the calls. With my ginger cat I journey far, guided by wonder